Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to make Gmail account without phone numbers. So I just want to remind you that you can only do this with your phone device. You cannot do this on your laptop. Okay, so you just have to open your email address and then tap your profile at the top right corner. Now what you're going to do is to scroll down till you see this add another account or add account here. Okay, tap this add another account and then click Google. Now wait as it is processing. So as you can see, it's now checking information. And then what you're going to do next is to enter the information needed, such as your name, your last name, but I think this one is optional. So click this create account first. Now you can choose personal use or business. So let me tap this for my personal use. Click next and then enter your first name here. But actually your last name is optional, but I suggest that you should also put your last name here. Once done, what you're going to do next is to click this next button here. So enter your birthday and gender. So January, let's just say 10, 1990. Gender, you have options here. So for me, it's female. And then after that, click next. Wait for a couple of seconds. And then after that, what you're going to do here is to pick a Gmail address, or you can create your own. So if you want to create your own, tap this create your own Gmail address and then enter something here. Once it's taken already, or they will say this that username is taken. So try another one. Make sure that this one is unique. So once done, you can now create your password. And then after that, click next. Okay, so you can use this email address to sign in later. So as you can see, they didn't ask for my phone number for any verification. Scroll down and then click agree. And then after that, wait for a couple of seconds again. Now, once you're done with this steps or procedure, then what you're going to do is to go back to your Gmail address, type your profile, and what you're going to do is to scroll down. Then there you will see your Gmail account or newly created Gmail account. Okay, so that's how easy it is to make Gmail account without phone number. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.